The difficulty of not knowing, AI, and life's uncertainties. Sometimes the hardest part of a problem is not the problem itself. It is the not knowing how to begin an email, not knowing whether a decision is right, not knowing if we misunderstood someone, not knowing what happens next. And into that small, uncomfortable silence steps artificial intelligence. It offers a draft, a list, a recommendation, an answer. Even when the answer is imperfect, its presence can feel reassuring. The blank page is no longer blank. The uncertainty has been given a shape. A recent study of AI users found that people who struggled more with uncertainty also tended to report more problematic patterns of AI use. That does not mean uncertainty causes dependence. The study found associations, not causes, but the pattern is worth thinking about. AI may be especially appealing not only because it is efficient, but because it makes hesitation easier to escape. When we feel stuck, it responds immediately. When the situation is unclear, it organizes possibilities. When we lack confidence, it gives us language that sounds certain. Sometimes AI supports reflection, but sometimes it may become the fastest route away from the discomfort that reflection requires. The study also found an association involving vertical individualism, a value orientation centered on independence, competition, status, and outperforming others. That makes sense in a culture where everyone is expected to appear productive, articulate, and informed. Uncertainty does not always look respectable. Taking time to think can appear inefficient. Admitting that we do not know can feel like weakness. Asking another person for help may feel slower and more exposing than asking a machine. AI offers something very seductive in this environment: instant competence. A polished paragraph before the idea is fully formed. A confident answer before the evidence has been weighed. A professional tone before the person feels professionally prepared. The machine does not only help us work, it can help us preserve the appearance that we were never uncertain at all. The problem is not that life contains uncertainty. Life has always contained uncertainty. Human beings make decisions with incomplete information. We revise conclusions, we ask for advice, we wait, we doubt. The deeper problem may be that modern life teaches us to treat uncertainty as a defect that must be corrected immediately, and AI is always available to correct it. That availability can be useful. It can reduce cognitive burden and help us move forward. But over time, we may begin to forget that uncertainty has a purpose. It slows us down. It makes us seek context. It reminds us to ask other people. It gives judgment time to develop. People use AI because of work, curiosity, accessibility, and convenience. The important question is what the AI is doing for us psychologically. Are we asking for information or reassurance? Is the machine helping us think, or helping us avoid the feeling of not yet knowing what to think? Human judgment develops not only through answers, it develops through hesitation, waiting, consulting others, changing our minds, continuing even when certainty never arrives. AI may always be ready with a response. The real test is whether we can still endure not knowing long enough to arrive at judgments of our own. This is AnthroIntelligence, culture, cognition, and code. I'm Richard Jonathan O. Taduran. Stay curious and stay human.